Hey Parikshet, so what are we going to draw today? The solar system? Is it gonna be a difficult drawing?
Yeah.
That is why you're not happy about it?
No. It's going to be very, very, very difficult.
So let's start drawing the solar system with all the planets and the sun.
Yeah.
Do you know how many planets are there?
There are
8 or 9?
8.
Okay. Let's find it out for ourselves. How many planets do we have revolving around the sun? We'll be needing, as always, a black sketch pen.
Around the sun, there are no planets around it.
They revolve around the sun.
Not like here is the sun and they are not rotating around.
Yeah, they are rotating around the sun.
No.
Yes, that is why we have days and we have nights. They rotate around the sun like this. Okay,
It's going to be a difficult draw.
should we draw?
Yeah.
Okay, start. As always, we need a
Black sketch pen and we will make two colors. And Saturn, Uranus look a little bit same.
Yes, they do.
Only Saturn has a extra ring and Uranus has only one ring. And Neptune actually looks like Saturn.
Okay, let's start drawing now. Let's not talk more. Let's start
Drawing.
drawing.
That,
Let's draw the sun first, okay?
no, this one is very difficult.
Okay, so sun is the easiest part over here.
No.
Yes, it is.
I'm gonna draw you. It's just this one is also not working properly.
Yes, you have given me all bad pens today.
No. What a small sun. Huh? No, it should be a big sun. See, it should be like this.
If you don't follow me, you will be in a problem. Because then we won't have space to make the planets.
And then how much should I draw?
How much I have done?
I can understand. No?
Now that the sun is done, let us write here. Very good. Sun.
Because people understand that's the sun.
Yes. Now the first planet closest to the sun is
Mars.
Mercury.
Mercury.
Yes.
It's Mars.
Mars is the fourth planet in the solar system. So this is Mercury.
Then why is Mars?
Let's write over here.
Why is Mars called the hottest planet? Papa?
Mercury.
Papa?
The next is
Papa, first wait.
yes.
Why is then Mars called the hottest planet?
No, Mars is not called the hottest planet. It's Mercury because it's closest to the sun.
And Jupiter is the largest planet.
Yes.
Earth changes fit into it.
After Mercury comes
Oh wait.
Venus. Then
Papa,
comes.
how are you doing it so fast?
Okay, I'm waiting for you.
Oh wait.
Yes, okay, I'm waiting. I'm not doing anything. I'm just making the axis of Mercury. And the axis of
Venus.
Venus.
No, it's not Venus.
Then what is it?
It's Mars.
Okay. Now let us do Earth.
Wait.
Okay, I'm waiting for you. Just making the.
You have to make the axis also.
Okay.
How will I write if it?
What are you confused? Right? You don't write because you won't be able to write so small. Mercury. Then Venus.
What will that be for?
I will write it later. This is Earth. That's Mars.
Oh well, I've got so much nice idea.
That's Jupiter, the big one. This is Saturn. Yes, I'm helping you so that you can quickly get it done.
Then the ring of
That's
the Saturn.
Uranus.
The ring of the Saturn.
That's Neptune.
Papa.
Now you do the rings.
How will I do the rings?
I'm just helping you finish the drawing so that you can.
Papa, I have a nice idea.
What is that?
I'm going to the store after I finish my drawing. Papa, but how will I draw the rings? I have to leave some space now.
Yeah.
Then how will I do? How will I make the rings?
Make the rings.
How?
What do you mean the
How?
I'm leaving the space.
But how will I? But inside also should be there a space now.
Yes.
So how will I draw? That's a little difficult. Right, Papa?
Yeah. Now finish your drawings. Once the Earth is done, I will do the Mars, the Jupiter. So this is the Mars. Next is the Jupiter. Let's draw the axis of Jupiter. Mars. The axis of Jupiter. Then we have Saturn. Saturn has a ring.
See, Papa.
Yep.
See now. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Very good.
See, why is it like only the starting letters?
This is the Uranus. Yeah, very good, very good, very good. Good idea. And that is the Neptune.
Venus, the Earth, this, the land. And you know what's solar smash?
What's that?
There's a game called solar smash.
And the axis for Neptune comes here. Now we will be
Are you
quickly.
done?
Yes,
Oh,
I'm done.
wait now. Papa, how did you do the Jupiter one? Huh? Papa? How did you do the Jupiter one, Papa?
Hmm?
How did you do the Jupiter one?
How did I do the Jupiter one? Means?
The Jupiter's design.
I didn't do any design yet.
Jupiter is the biggest planet.
Yeah. Now that we are done with this, let us now quickly color our planets. Did I name everybody? This is Saturn. That's Uranus. And this is Neptune. Our solar system planets are ready. Now we will be quickly
But mine is not.
coloring them.
Mine is not.
It's okay, finish it.
Mine is also done.
Now let's quickly
Hello.
color the sun.
Are we not going to do the inner parts? The sun.
Yes, we will.
Give me real. But first,
Use.
I want to do the.
Okay. Now our sun is colored. Now what do we color next? We color next Mercury. Make it a little bit
What?
Hot.
Mercury is not hot.
Let me do the Venus. Next is the Earth with water
That will live on.
and greenery all around it.
Will live on.
The most beautiful planet in the ecosystem. In
The solar system.
yeah. This is the Mars. Then we do the
Mars.
Jupiter.
Mars is not this color, Papa.
Then what is the color? You do the right color.
It is dark red.
I am just doing the colors that are coming in front of me. If you know the right colors, then do the right colors. Then we do Uranus.
Uranus.
Quickly move. And now the last one, that is Neptune. We will be done with the coloring of the solar system.
I'm doing the colors, that's why it's taking so much time.
Oh my god, we are finally done with the coloring of
I am doing the Jupiter.
the solar system. Parikshet is also close to getting done.
Why did you color it so gray?
Okay, come on, finish your.
No, it should be like this.
It's okay, you do your coloring. As I said, you do the right coloring.
Papa, why are you bothering this?
Okay. Are we done?
No.
Then finish it fast.
Coloring one, I don't know what happened. Oh yeah!
Yes, we're done.
No.
What happened? What are you waiting for? Done?
We're done.
Say.
So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, and have a good day.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Woo, woo, woo.